here we are again. We've got this little hole here, and we're gonna fix that with the epoxy now. We got the epoxy over here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix some up. A little sandpaper. Got the whole kit, so it's pretty awesome. So we will go ahead and just rough this up a little bit first. Kind of, because we're gonna oversight that a little bit too. And I'm gonna use some tape around it so that keeps it from going everywhere. Hey Eric. Yeah. I'm gonna just give you two instructions.
Okay.
I'm gonna tape around this, a square around this. So
okay.
I'm doing, when I do the epoxy, it's just a square around it.
Mm-hmm.
So that way it's getting everything.
Yep.
So we're just remember when the time comes, you can just take that tape back off.
Okay, got it.
You think you can handle that?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we got it.
All right, cool. Because that's all this is gonna happen, just so we don't get it everywhere.
That makes sense.
This will just kind of keep it in that one little square I want it in.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna overshot it just to make sure it's all the way good.
Sounds good.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
I've already sanded it already, so I gave it a little sanding.
Okay, so you got something to bite
Roughs
on.
it up, yep.
Sounds good.
I'm already on top of it. So right about like that, I think would be good. That's a pretty good size square, right?
Mm-hmm. I think so.
Sounds look about right.
Oh, that's about right.
All right, cool. Just wanted to let you know about that.
Okay, cool. And so let me know if these don't work for the wipes. I don't have any of those like.
That's fine.
things.
That's just if I accidentally drop some or something, I'll just be able to catch it quick. All right. All right. So that's it on that. All right. So we got it sanded there. We got the tape around it just to kind of confine it to the square. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix the epoxy up. Okay. Grab same amount of part A and B. Okay, so mix even parts. It's a two-part epoxy. Just gonna mix it up good on this plate. This kit gives you everything you need. So it's pretty good. And then within 5 minutes, we need to get it on there before it starts to cure. It's pretty quick. Alright, there we are. I'm going to take the spatula, scoop some up, just run it one more time, make sure it's mixed. Alright, let's get some on there. Alright, so basically we've smoothed this off. Go fill that hole. Boom. There we go. We'll just catch some of this that made it outside of the tape border. Just catch some of that. The tape catches most of it. There we go. Alright, it's filled. That's all you needed to do. Alright, so there's the patch done all the way around. Filled it up.